Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, I will show you that how to design a progress bar, circular progress bar using Excel. Here I am showing you a demo project that where I will design a circular progress bar which is changeable and you can get the live rating according to the data. Here I have just used this video for a tutorial and learning purpose. So here project A, project B, project C and project D. For project calculation we will design. So first is project name, then is progress, the condition of current status of the project. Now get to fill means how many percentage of project has been already completed and how much still we need to complete. So this is the column of get to fill. So here you can see here one of the part is design, then come to the chart option. This is the chart title and here you can see I have selected the 5 project. That's why the project has come around the 5 different color, but we will not recognize like this way. So that's why I need to check it out and some problem is happening. That's why I have re-entered the progress bar. So this is a basic design that you can edit for the look of the project or look of the design. And this types of look is very difficult, not so very difficult, very important for the real-time work, because sometimes we need to differentiate the color of the column name and the data. That's why, because the simplicity of understanding of this column data and the project name and title, sometimes we need to fetch the multiple column and multiple chart inside a Excel sheet. That's time it's very difficult to understand that where from the data is coming and which is the correct data and the end of the real-time data. And I will give you very quickly or as soon as possible showing you a live project which is very difficult, and you can see then the understanding of the project is very difficult and it is really complicated. So here I have just designed it for the learning purpose. Here you can see the system is like first one circle has come, then we have defined the 2 columns at a time, one single project name. Here you can see the project name and the edit cells means we have used the 2 different data like progress and the get to fill data is attaching with this circular bar. So follow up the system that's I am showing you here inside the screen. You just use the cursor to select the both data for a single column. That's the way where you can see the selected data, and here already almost the system is completed. Now we need to change the color and the graphical system. That's why when you publish this project, some illiterate person also can understand that this is happening inside this chart. So sometimes we need to fetch the client on the live project that the client has not any exactly knowledge about the chart and the progress bar. They can just understanding the percentage of growth and percentage of the result. So that's why we need to explain to that client like, sir, this one is the right chart and this one is the exact result that you want to show inside the progress bar. When you change the data here, This progress bar will automatically change and show you the correct result of the percentage. So that's why we need to set up some changes and colors. This is really very beneficial for understanding the project clearly. Here I have just changed the orange part to the white, off-white color. This looks very professional. So now you can see I have changed the system of the color is inside the off-white color, and I'm just matching with the gradient value of the total chart. Here use the gradient, and you can use the only one single color, but I have shown something professional things like two different gradient color, and the lower part is blue and the upper part is of green color. So this is the way I have selected the color, and this is almost completed, and just now we need to just mark as the result. and you can check out the system that I am showing here. So finally we have done this progress bar, circular progress bar. Hope you like this video and share with your friend and use your real-time project. I hope this is very helpful to you. Thanks for watching my video and welcome again.